Hi, good day. My name is Marjorie Bitana de Castro, 19 years of age, studying in Batangas State University, Rosario Campus. We are 4 siblings in the family and I'm the oldest. My father is Joel Damara de Castro, 43 years old, and he is working as a driver. My mother is Marilyn Bitana de Castro, 40 years old, and she is working as a vendor. My skills are, I'm a computer literate, can troubleshoot computer, can disassemble and assemble computers, and knows the skills in programming. The seminars that I attended are Tech Tutor 3, Paradigm Shift in ICT Learning, Reach the Unreached, and Batangas Information Technology Students Conference 2012, and Tech Tutor 4, the next generation learning through the interactive multimedia. My hobbies are can play chess, watching TV, and surfing to the internet. Thank you for rendering your time with me.